True Liverpool. This video is going to show you all the features of our True Superior apartment room type. So first, when you arrive here at True, you will be getting a room key that looks just like this. This will gain you access into your flat, which is this main door here, so you and your other flatmates will get access into here, but you will only have access into your bedroom. But come on in and I'll show you what they look like. So here at True, all of our flats consist of 6 ensuite bedrooms that share a kitchen and a lounge. This flat style is a straight corridor, but we do also have a smaller corridor with a cluster of rooms either side. For the purpose of this, I'm going to show you the room first, and then I'm going to show you the shared kitchen and lounge right at the end, so stay tuned. So, being our superior apartments, these rooms are between 18 and 19 square meters in size, so they're really nice and spacious. The first thing you will see when you walk in through your door is you've got hooks to the side here. Great for hanging your bags or coats when you come in from class. Then, coming around into the room space, you can see a full-length mirror, great for making sure you look good before you go to university. And on the other side, you've got your wardrobe, which is a lovely modern open style wardrobe with shelves to the top, a rail in the middle and shelves at the bottom. Then around here, you get to your main bedroom kind of area here as well. So behind me, you've got a full-size double bed, which is fitted with a true luxury mattress. And not only that, your bed is an ottoman. So simply lift it up and there's loads of storage down there for your suitcases, boxes, or anything you want to keep out of your room space. Then on the other side, you can see here you have your wall-mounted panel heater. This will keep you nice and warm in the winter, and you can make this as hot or as cold as you would like your room to be. In addition to that, in the summer, you've also got your window, and we have some fantastic viewpoints here. This one here is our courtyard facing, but we've also got a fantastic city and skyline viewpoint as well. If you want to find out what view your room will have a look at the floor plans or get in touch with a member of the team. But going back to your window, you will have a space at the top that you can open to get some fresh air, and you've also got a full blackout curtain that you can open and close as you wish. Great for if you're wanting a nice line. So every room here at True gets a great desk space because we know you're going to be studying, so we wanted to give you a really comfortable area within every room for you to do so. So here with your desk, you've obviously got a really large desk space. You also get a very comfortable desk chair, and you've got a waste paper bin there as standard as well. To the back, as you can see, you've got a pin board, great for putting up your photos, posters, or your university timetable. Then above here, you've got 2 really large shelves, and to the side, you've got a light switch for your reading light that's underneath, and you've got some plug sockets as well. Additionally, we've got some fantastic storage solutions just down there, which have got some drawers and some extra cupboard space as well. So our True Superior apartments come with 2 bathroom styles. This is type 1. And this is bathroom type number 2. Are 2 different bathroom styles. Again, if you want to find out which rooms have which bathroom, just get in touch with a member of the team and we're happy to help. So just to recap, this is our True Superior apartment, and I'm going to show you what our shared kitchen and lounges look like, which come with these rooms as well. Like I said, we're now going to show you the kitchen and the lounge space that comes with this True Superior apartments. All of our kitchens come with the same features, but they come as a slightly different layout. So again, you can check the floor plans to see which layout your kitchen will have. And additionally, we will post a quick video of all the different layouts at the end of this video. So watch all the way to the end. As you can see, when you walk into the kitchen space, you have your great lounge area here. So you've got a comfortable sofa and a armchair there, as well as a huge flat screen TV. This is a smart TV, so as you can see, you can Chromecast and watch Netflix, you can watch YouTube, as well as normal TV, and all that kind of stuff like that. We do also have our own True channel, so what that means is you can have a look at all the events we've got going on throughout the week and throughout the month, plus you can log any maintenance issues or anything like that just via your TV. So it's a really, really handy piece of equipment. Then, at the other side of the room is obviously your kitchen space. So you can see the kitchen that runs all the way to the back. So here you've got so much cupboard space. So as you know, this comes with a flat of 6. So there's loads of space for you and your other flatmates. You've got a sink here, cupboard space to the bottom and the top, as well as a fully integrated oven. And then you have a 4-ring electric hob. You then also, up here, have a microwave grill combination as well. So you can also cook in here as well as microwave. Then your kitchens come with 2 fridge freezers. So the top is a fridge, and then to the bottom is a freezer. And additionally to that, you of course get a great dining room table. Just so you know, here at True, we will provide your kitchens with a crockery set, so a set per person, so you will get all the items here that are on this table, so a bowl, small plate, large plates, cutlery, glass and a mug, as well as some pots and pans for your kind of cooking area as well. So we will really give you everything you need to really start your time off here at True. The reason we do this is because we know that a lot of you come and you don't know who you're sharing with, so you'll definitely know that you'll have a plate, a bowl and all that kind of stuff once you've moved in. So if you want any more information on our True Superior Apartment rooms, or if you would like to book one for yourself, you can have a look at truestreet.com/Liverpool, or head to the description because we'll put a link in there as well. But like I said, we're going to put some quick clips now to show you all the different layouts of the kitchens as well. Thanks for watching. If you've got any other questions, please let us know.